What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For this video, we are creating this beautiful, colorful look. It is here with all the drama with this hair. I even put in fake hair for this. So, we are creating this beautiful, colorful Pride Month look. One of you guys requested that I create a colorful look, a colorful eye look for Pride Month, and this is what I came up with. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching this video.
Alright guys, so I really want my colors to be very vibrant, so we are starting with that Colourpop 00 concealer, and I'm taking my Slayer palette and first picking up that really light Barbie pink. I believe it's called Menage. And so I don't really know what I am going to create. So I'm just kind of like, you know, doing things and just going with the flow because most of my looks, that's how they start off. So I'm just going to apply my color vertically, so kind of in a stripe up and down. So you guys see I always tap my colors. So next I'm taking my orange tone color from the palette and I'm just placing it. One is on the left side and the other one is on the right side, so I just kind of want to mix it up. So now I'm taking this purple, and you guys, like, this one is the color that's been giving me the most problem. You guys will see. I ended up getting frustrated once I started to build it, and it ended up picking up on itself. And I'm just going to start to blend out these colors with that bright yellow over top. And I am about to stop this video, you guys, and you guys will see why.
Okay, so I'm gonna just like interrupt the process really quick. I don't know if you guys can see, like right here. Okay, you're super close right now. So right there, I'm gonna look down. So right here, the color is picking up, and I just went in to intensify it by applying more color. So when I'm dabbing it. So that's a little bit better, but when I'm doing it, like on this one, I haven't done it yet. So I'm just trying to intensify it, right? And a little bit of the color is like coming up. Yeah, so the color definitely picks up. So it kind of starts to pick up the color, like, you know, you're not able to build it up. That's the only issue that I've been noticing with this damn purple, and I forgot that that's what happened. So now we're gonna have to roll with the punches. Anyways, back to it.
Okay, so that's what ended up happening. So now we're gonna pick up this purple, and the purple ended up doing the same thing too, but I just, at this point, I already knew, so I was just gonna go with it. So I'm just gonna bring that all the way up by a little bit above, like by my eyebrow, but I'm starting to make my shape out of the shadows. So I'm going for a more elevated cat eye. I think that's what I was going for. So now I'm going to pick up this blue-green, and I am actually working it on top of my colors now and on the side. So I'm going to bring out my shadow a little bit, and I'm putting it on top of that purple by that orange. And I'm just starting to do this watercolor effect, and just picking up another bright pink tone to kind of fill in the gaps. And then after this, I ended up picking up this white tone from the Riviera palette. Oh, you guys, this is a little trick I do to clean up my shape. Just take a makeup remover wipe and just create your shape. So this is the eyeshadow that I'm picking up. It's just a matte white, but I love how it blends out. And I'm just taking the same detail brush, and I'm just really blending out the top portion of my eyes with this shadow. And then, of course, when you pick up the Riviera palette, you see all these bright, beautiful colors. So I ended up popping that shimmer teal on my inner tear duct. Now, this is where I save the whole look. Unfortunately, most of the visuals are a little blurred, but I am doing an open eyeliner with this glitter. So that just means that we are not filling in the liner, and then I ended up doing a cut crease with the same liner. Cut crease is also meant as in, you outline. So maybe like an outline to cut crease with the liner. And you guys, I feel like this really saved my look. I started panicking. I'm like, crap, I'm gonna have to re-record everything. So you guys already know I use my Fenty and you guys don't have to see how I apply everything over and over and over again.
Hey, Happy's here.
And my foundation is just the same as always. And the concealer that I found that I really go to more is the 270 from Fenty Beauty. But then I found that I like to layer on the 320 just because it gives it a more natural look.
Surprise!
Oh my god, what? Who are you?
Oh, me? Oh, I'm doing a pride look. I meant surprise, I built the furniture for you.
Oh.
Not surprise, look at my hair.
Wow, it looks cool. The furniture looks good.
Pause. Okay, so now I went in with my foundation and everything, but now I'm going to use my Rcma palette. This is a cream concealer. So I'm going to take some of the colors and I'm going to contour.
So this palette is pretty awesome, guys. Every time I use it, I feel like J-Lo. Like, I always feel so bronzy and it just looks awesome on the skin. So if you guys can, try it out. And then I am baking with my Fenty Beauty powder. This powder is the ish. It does not leave me cakey or dry, and I am a very dry person, and powder normally does not work for me. But this one does. I love it. So Fenty Beauty continuation with the products. This is my bronzer. I will leave the name down below, but this is like the best one, I feel. I love the tone.
Okay, for highlight, I am going to use How Many Karrats from Fenty. This, oh my gosh. You guys, I know like it's like a whole bunch of like, hoopla, but the Fenty highlight brush really does pick up the product differently. Okay. Wow. Tell me. Look at it. We are gonna go with Recollection from MAC. Alright guys, I am finally done with this look. I ended up doing a dramatic pony. I ended up getting this hair when I went back home to visit my mom, and I was planning on making a wig with it, but I ended up wrapping it around first to create this look for you guys. Someone requested this colorful look for Pride Month, which we are all about on this channel, so I welcome everyone to this Pride look on my channel. I hope you guys like what I ended up creating. Yeah, so mine's more of like a, this is what my Pride look would be if I went to Pride Festival, but I'm still repping Pride on my channel. This is how I would show up, honestly, like full weave, everything, just here for the moment and the experience. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Let me know down below what other looks you guys want to see. I have my giveaway coming, but it is actually linked to a full week of something I am planning, and that is coming very, very soon. But yes, this is the Pride look that we did for this video, and yeah, let me know what you guys want to see down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this Pride look. I know we're a little bit extra, but we keep it cute. Alright, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Adios. Till next time.